Hello guys, today we're gonna make English video for the assignment. We're gonna make a podcast video. So let's start to the main topic.
So the first question is, could you tell me about yourself?
Sure. My name is KD Hilman with a Q and that, but I always prefer to call it KD with a K. For now I'm turning 20 years old in this year. I was growing up in Jakarta, specifically in South Jakarta, and then. Recently, I was moved to the other city. It's called Serang, to finish my degree in Indonesian Education University, majoring in marine logistics.
So did you feel a different when you decide move to other city?
Of course, I feel some difference when my first time to move to this city. The first one is the society is communicate with the other language, not the Indonesian language, but the community preferring uses Sundanese language to communicate with the others. So for me, who doesn't know Sundanese language before, it was a struggle for me to communicate with the other society in this city. And then about the traffic, the driver in the city, I think they didn't following the rules about the driving rules, like, and then the traffic lamp. It's so I think it's building difference there if I compare to Jakarta.
Did you have any hobbies? If you had, tell me exactly about that.
Of course, I have several hobbies, but I will prefer to separate them to two categories. For the first one categories is the hobbies when I don't need to take intense physical active, and the second one is where I need to take intense physical active. So the category one is of my hobbies is playing some PC games, and then listening some musics, and then watching some films, uh, and then playing some instrumental music. When we're talking about playing online games, I would prefer to playing Valorant and League of Legends. Why I choose both of them? Because when we playing Valorant, we don't only get to entertain, but we will learning English too. Because the server we play it is content from other country, other nation on the Asian. So the English is easiest way to communicate with the others to winning the games. When we are talking about the music, I was listening many genres like pop, like rocks, like math rock. I mean, and then for recently I was hearing about uh, the Midwest emo, like that was so good. I mean, for the guitar instrumental, specifically, they was so good. Like, and the lyrics that are content, it was so meaningful. If you compare then the pop songs, it's so very meaningful, I guess. And then if we're talking about the movies, I will prefer to watch American comedies like the Ted serial. It was so fun if you could understand what the jokes telling about. And then uh, I will prefer to watch Korean dramas, specifically in romance, rather than Chinese drama, because the Korean drama is serve more unpredictable plot. Yeah, to compare with the Chinese drama that contains predictable plot, and then the cast from the character is so much better than the Chinese drama. If we're talking about uh, uh, instrumental music that I played. I was playing guitar like I already learning since I was second grade in my high school. For now, I'm not too good at playing that. Like I only could playing the some songs like uh, Radiohead songs or Blink 182 or Sum 41s or Smashing Pumpkins and then Michael Bolton and Codeline and then the Bryan Adams songs.
So the last question is.
Oh, sorry. I'm not finished yet. I'm I didn't already. I'm not finished yet. Like we still talking about the uh, hobbies. If I content to getting intense activities, physical activities, I would prefer to getting swim. But in since I was moved to the Serang, I only get swim once time. That's with my classmate friends. Uh, why I only get one times because I didn't find the places so good as swimming pool in Jakarta. I mean in Jakarta it's much better. Like from the price it's not so pricey and from the places it's and the facilities is so good. I mean if you compare then the Serang and then of course the view in Jakarta I usually like swim in the middle of the city like yeah, while other people work I was swimming out there like it was so good feels.
So the last question is there any planning for the next 5 years?
Okay, if we're talking about planning, I have some plans. If I already graduate from my college, the first plan is I want to move to the other country, like in the Asians, in still in the Asians but different country. And the second one is I choose to move to European country. If I choose to staying in Asian, I would prefer to choose like Singapore because the environment is so good in there, and then I will getting the job that align it with my degree, and then I think that's it. If I decide to move to the European country, I have two options. Like the first one is German. That's because I have some family in there that already stayed in German for more than 5 years, I guess. But I have a problem if I decide to move to the German. Like uh, you know that German's language is kind of hard to learn. Like they have a different accents. Uh, yeah, different accents for if you compare in Asian accents like it's hard to learn for me and the last option is I will prefer to staying in Netherlands because the main reason is I have some several families that my grandma already said like he had a lot of brothers that already stayed in there for 20 years or I think more than 20 years I guess uh, and then the language they're using is not so complicated if I compare to the Germans and then their accents is not too hard to following too. I think it's that, but I have a main reason to why I want to move to the Europe because I want to feel some winter. Yeah, we all know in Indonesia we only have to claims like, or is that a sunny day or rainy day? But I want to feel winter when I wearing my winter jacket or something like that. I guess. So let's move it. Let's move to you. Could you telling me about yourself?
Okay, so first of all, Let me introduce myself.
Okay.
My name is
Yeah.
Henry Destaja Varuno, and you can call me Henry, but my mom call me Nuno. I was born in Bandung, specifically in Narcamanik. But when I was 4 years old, me and my family moved to Cimahi. So for now, I live with my parents. I live with my three younger siblings, uh, one brother and two sisters.
Uh, how old your brothers now?
My old, for now to 16 years old.
16 years old.
Yeah.
So they're in the high school now,
Yes.
or
Yeah.
they're in the high school. Okay. Uh, did you sorry. Did you have any hobbies for now, or and then did you have a daily routine that when you decide to move in Serang?
Okay, so my first hobby is playing football. So I start in second grade while I was playing on the computer. Someone invited me to watch Europe football. That was when I saw Lionel Messi play. I feel the electric atmosphere of the stadium. So I start practicing alone at my grandmother house during holiday. So in just 2 weeks, I I could match my friend's skill at school. Everyone was shocked by my progress, and then by fourth grade, I joined a football academy in Cimahi. The name is SSB Siliwangi, where I learned in there. I learned about teamwork, strategy, how control my ego, kick the ball, throwing the ball, pass the ball. I learned turning setbacks into strength. So it's the second my hobbies is swimming. However, because of my history with asthma, my breathing become weak and I had to stop playing football. I was devastated and deeply disappointed. To help me recover, my father enrolled me in swimming lessons. It was a turning point. Swimming gave me strong physically endurance and better breathing, so a good posture and discipline. I realized that this experience was not a pain. It prepared me for a physical challenge I face today. So the last my hobby and my new hobby is mountain climbing. I was curious about the peaks. Saying a mountain from below was not enough for me. I want to see the world from the top. Climbing is a great way to release stress from college assignment maybe. So my first climb was Mount Karang with seven friends.
With your 7 friends.
It was the deciding factor for me. There I learned essential ethics, rules of the hiking. So I was surprised by how friendly everyone was. Hikers treat each other like a family. Often joking around even if they just meet. So the second mount is named the Polosari. It was dramatic because local residents were protesting at the base camp, and there were police everywhere. We almost didn't hike, but I'm glad because the volcanic crater there is beautiful. It's perfect for photo. So the last mountain I climbed was Mount Asupan. The trek was extreme. Near the summit, a heavy rainstorm hit us. I start to panic because some friend didn't have raincoats and our food supplies running low. On the way down, so the path was incredible, slippery and muddy. We had a crazy idea. We slid we slid down the mud like we were on the playground, with the playground slide. So it was the only way to move forward. Climbing requires serious prep, so a proper rucksack, hiking boots, a warm jacket, so raincoats, a tent, and a flashlight. So after an adventure like that, I usually head straight to the shower and sleep cause I'm exhausted. So that's my fun journey so far.
You already said that you have what when you saw the Lionel Messi was playing football, you getting more attentive to playing football. Is that your favorite player in football?
Yeah, for sure.
What's your favorite team in European team right now?
For now, maybe it's Real Madrid.
Real Madrid.
Yes.
Cause they are winning a lot of trophies.
Yeah. Yeah. Real Madrid.
Okay. If you have a chance to climbing that mountain again, that you already said you already climbed the tree, that you already hiking the tree on the mountains. Did you do it again? If you have already, did you have a chance?
Yeah, I have do it again.
Did you wanna try some experience like hiking to the others mountains like Salak Mountains or Rinjani Mountain, or do you have specifically? Did you already have specifically mountain that you wanna get to hike?
So I have already planning
Plan.
go to the Mount Guntur. So I'm planning to hit Mount Guntur with my old high school friends. The name Arya, the one who invited me. Suggest we go during the college break, so we have long more time. Especially since it's in Garut and quite a trek from my place. He actually eyeing Papandayan, Sagara, and Cukuraitu.
Oh, I see. Did you have planning after graduating from this college?
After I graduate, so I plan to start my career by working at the port. Why a port? So well, it's directly related to my major, marine logistics. I want to gain as much hands-on experience as possible in the field. After working for about 3 or 4 years, I plan to continue my study and pursue a master degree abroad in a relevant field.
Yeah.
But before that, I want to secure a scholarship to help manage the costs. My reason for studying abroad is to ensure a more stable and promising future for myself. Besides that, I'm very interested. I'm in working in a company with an environment and atmosphere I never experienced before. I want to challenge myself in a new international settings.
I have a last more question. If you already work, would you still hiking a mountain? Yes or no?
Yes, but I want still hiking a mountain and specifically all the mountain in Indonesia.
You have like I could say you have brave to climb to mountain that spread around in Indonesia. I like that. I like you brave. I mean, I think that's all from us. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Sorry for all the like kekurangan. Terima kasih. Bye.